Okay, this is a quick video on how to create a Minecraft multi-user server. So the first thing we want to do is create a folder to store our server software in, and we're going to name that Minecraft server. You can name anything you want, but I like Minecraft server. Then you want to open Internet Explorer or Mozilla or whatever you use and go to minecraft.net. Once you're there, down on the right hand side here there's a download link. That takes you to the download page, and under MultiPlayer server you want to choose MineCraft server. Now when you get this dialog box on the bottom that asks you to run or save, you want to choose Save As, and then select Desktop and the Minecraft server folder that you created before, and click Save. When it's done, it'll ask you if you want to open the folder. Choose that option, and then we're going to run the Minecraft server. Now while that's creating the new world, we need to find out what our IP address is so that we can host the server. So down in this search window, if you type CMD, you're going to get this option, the little black button, it opens this black window. Now what we want from here is the IP address, and we're going to get the default gateway because that's really going to be the IP address to your firewall. So to get that, we're going to type in ipconfig, ipconfig. You hit enter, and then you look over here at your IP version 4 address. Most people's addresses will look very similar to this on a home network, 192.168.1 dot something, and in this case ours is 4, and the default gateway is 1, so we're going to remember that. Now our Minecraft server, when we ran it, it generated some config files. We're going to jump back over to there, click stop, and that goes ahead and stops the server. And then we're going to go to this file here. If you've never opened a .properties file, then it won't open nicely in Notepad. It's going to ask you if you want to select it, and so you want to select Notepad to open the file. Once it's open, you don't really have to change anything in here except the IP address, and you want to type in the IP address that we just found, 192.168.1.4, and then just take note that the server port is 25,565. You don't need to know that, I'll tell it to you later, but that's the port that it runs on. So click File and Save, and then exit out of here. So now your server will run on that IP address every time you launch it. So now the 1.1 that we had before, we're going to close this, but remember it's 192.168.1.1. That's going to open up the management tool for your firewall. I happen to have a Netgear firewall. You may have something different. You might have a Linksys or something like that, but they're all pretty much the same. You want to go to the advanced setup of whatever your router is, and in there you're going to find something called port forwarding. You want to select that option, and we already have Minecraft in here, but I'm going to delete it just to show you how this works. If you click Add Custom Service, you can give it any name you want. We're going to name it Minecraft. And then this is where that port goes in. It's 25,565. And it's only one port, so we're going to put the same one in because this allows us to put in a range. And then right here we're going to put in the IP address of the server that we created before, which in this case is .4. And then we're going to click Apply. So now our service is in there, and we can log out of here. Close the window. Now our Minecraft server set up, we're port forwarding to it, and so we'll open it up, launch the server, click Run, and if you notice over here, it's launched your server on that IP address on that port. So your server is basically all set up. If you're on your local network, you could connect to it easily, and if you're on the network, you can connect to it. So the last piece that we really want to do is to tell other people, your friends, what the IP address is that they need to connect on. And the way to do that is to go to a service that'll tell you what your internet IP address is. You may know it already, but if you don't, if you go in and type in ipchicken.com, it will pull up this web page, and right under current IP address, it'll show your IP address. From there, you can take that information and you can send that to your friends, and they'll be able to put it into their multi-user MineCraft server configuration, and they'll be able to connect to your server. So that's how simple it really is. So good luck with your MineCraft server, and thanks for watching our video.